So guys, just want to share with you, I've got the mudguard mounted. It's bolted and spaced up and trimmed and cut. Fairly happy with the line of that. But that's not the purpose of today's video. So today, well, it'll be today and tomorrow, but this video will be about me finally sorting all this mess out. So I've ordered some racking. I'm waiting for that to turn up. That should be here tomorrow. So yeah, just gonna get, I've got 2 pieces of racking, 300mm deep and a 400mm deep. That's gonna go into this far corner of the workshop, and then I can get all these parts that are all strewn about the place in random boxes. Some more over there. There's loads up in this cupboard here. Just stuff everywhere, and I'm going to get that all moved, so at least I get my floor space back and I can build this bike in some sort of reasonable order. So yeah, so that's the premise of this video. So I'm just going to start going through some of this, clear a space, so when the racking turns up I can put it together, stick it up on the wall. So yeah, let's get on with it.
Scars. I'll brush you off just like the dust upon my shoulder. I have a hunch of who you are. Believe it or not, I got the strength to blow you
over. So as you can see, stuff is still all over the floor, but we are tidier. So got a collection of Triumph parts in this box at the moment. I need sorting through. All that stuff's piled up over there. Bench is clearer, and I now have the first lot of racking up. So that's done, and this parcel has just arrived. It's got me racking for that corner. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I just carried this down a little bit. It is particularly heavy. I was quite surprised, but yeah. So let's get this out of the box, built up, and then we can. I'm sure we can find plenty of stuff to dump on the shelves. So, yeah, let's get on with it.
I'm a hurricane, I'm bringing thunder and rain. I'm a hurricane if you get in my way. I'm a hurricane, always on top of my game. I'm a hurricane, don't try to get in my scars. I'll brush you off just like the dust upon my shoulder. I have a hunch of who you are. Believe it or not, I got the strength to blow you I'm a hurricane, I'm bringing thunder and rain. I'm a hurricane if you get in my
there it is. I've got racking up. Got 2 spare shelves at the moment, but I'm sure I'll fill those. Probably not the neatest filing system, but everything is up and off the floor and not just in piles everywhere. I can actually get in and out again now. I need to get these 2 bikes covered up so that we can go and paint in the frame. That's the next job. But yeah, I'm feeling much more comfortable in here now, much more space to work. Yeah, seems like we're there. So I'll see how I get on with these racks. They went together fairly easily. They seem sturdy enough. They're not going to fall over or anything. So see how they last. But at the moment, I'd recommend them. They were an Amazon purchase. I'll put a link below. There's no affiliation there, but yeah, if you're looking for a simple way of getting your parts off the floor and up near your roof, then yeah, check them out. The only thing I've got to say now is we're over 200 subscribers, so that's absolutely brilliant. Appreciate everybody that takes the time to comment, click like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and it just gives you that enthusiasm to do the next video. So yeah, thank you for joining me, guys. We're back on the build for Thursday's upload, so I'm trying to keep Sundays as just general, either about the workshop or out on the bike, and Thursdays for the build at the moment is my plan. We don't like using the word plan, but yeah. So yeah, thank you for joining me, guys, and yeah, take it easy.